rural population. I now turn to the rural sector, which is so dear to the heart of Mahatma Gandhi. Over rupees 3 lakh crores are spent in rural areas every year. If we add all the programs meant for the rural poor by the central budget and the state budgets, budget linkage for self-help groups. With a clear focus on improving accountability and outcomes and convergence, we will undertake a mission Antyodaya to bring 1 crore households out of poverty and make 50,000 Gram Panchayats poverty-free by 2019, the 150th birth anniversary of Gandhiji. We will utilize the existing resources more effectively along with annual increases. This mission will work with a focused micro plan for sustainable livelihood for every deprived household. A composite index of poverty-free Gram Panchayat would be developed to monitor the progress from the baseline. Our government has made a conscious effort to reorient MG Manrega to support the resolve to double farmers' incomes. While providing at least 100 days employment to every rural household, Manrega should create productive assets to improve farm productivity and incomes. The target of 5 lakh ponds and 10 lakh composite pits announced in the last year budget from Manrega funds have been fully achieved. In fact, against 5 lakh ponds, it is expected that about 10 lakh farm ponds will be completed by March 2017. During 2017 and 18, another 5 lakh ponds would be taken up. The single measure would contribute greatly to drought-proofing of the Gram Panchayats. Participation of women in Manrega has increased to 55% from less than 48% in the past. Honorable members would be happy to note that in the budget provisions of 38th theme has now been increased to rupees 48,000 crores in 2017 and 18. This is the highest ever allocation for Manrega.
10,000 crore.
पहले 40,000 अलॉट होता था और 29,000 खर्च होता था. अब 38,500 पिछली बार अलॉट हुआ, 47,000 खर्च हुआ और आने वाले साल में 48,000 होगा. परंपरा The initiative, Madam, we are talking about the rural employment, not political unemployment. The initiative to geotag all Manrega assets and putting them in public domain has established greater transparency. We are also using space technology in a big way to plan Manrega works.